On Thursday, a 35-year-old COVID patient woman died in parking lot of a government-run hospital in Noida, gasping for breath as the person accompanying her begged the authorities for a bed. Jagriti Gupta, who lay in a car outside the state-run GIMS hospital in Noida for nearly 3 hours, lived alone in the city while her 2 children lived with her husband in Madhya Pradesh. She worked in Greater Noida as an engineer. I was standing right there as her landlord ran around, asking for help, but no one listened to him. Around 3:30 p.m., she collapsed when the landlord ran to the reception to report that she is no longer breathing. The staff rushed outside and declared her dead. Sachin, who is an eyewitness, told NDTV. As the country battles a tidal wave of COVID cases in the devastating second wave, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath last week claimed that there is no shortage of oxygen in his state and that the initial problems around increasing the number of hospital beds were quickly overcome. But on the ground, these claims quickly unravel. COVID patients unable to find beds in UP's Noida are dying on road. Families are being forced to return home with their parents as the city adjoining Delhi reels under an acute shortage of beds and oxygen. The online bed tracker created by Noida authorities had 2,568 beds, including oxygen beds and ICU beds, but none is available.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.